learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And if you tune in this month to We Love Hakka, you know that we're teaching you a phrase, and that phrase is, do you want to go out together? 要不要一起出去，一起去啊？这是我们这个月呢教大家的一个句子，一定要学好哦。怎么说？
愛共下希望。
Oi kyung ha himo. That means, do you want to go out together? All right, 被问了这个问题呢，通常呢会说好啦。可是有的时候可能真的是一些原因，对不对？
然后就跟人家说对不起啦，我有约啦。
Exactly. You know, it could be the fact that you really don't have time or whatnot, or you don't want to go out with this person or these people, and you want to refuse. All right? 我们今天就来教大家怎么去拒绝。比如说就是对不起啊 ，I'm sorry, I can't do it. Right?
失礼，
失礼
也可以讲排泄。
跟台语很像排泄。
对。
There's actually a lot of ways of saying sorry. One is 失礼, that is more of the formal way, and then there's 排泄 which sounds Taiwanese, but it's also in Hakka. All right, 那有的时候真的是没空哦。我们像做媒体很忙的啊。
对啊，
这个时间不见得是随时可以空出来，那我们就说没空。All right, I don't have time. How do you say that?
摸汗，
摸汗，
海陆腔，摸汗。
摸汗不要乱摸哦，摸汗，不要偷偷摸摸，还是在那边摸，让自己时间都没了，对不对？就摸汗。
对
，Okay, that's another dialect of saying I don't have time. Then maybe 有的时候可能是真的不一定啦，要看看。
时间还没到嘛。
对 ，I'm not sure. If you want to say I'm not sure, 不一定怎么说？
冇听错。
我没有听错。
冇听错。
冇听错听起来没听错。
就是不一定。
Okay, that means I'm not sure. Okay, maybe. 冇听错。All right, let's say you want to say I don't have time this Saturday. Okay, 我这个礼拜六没空。
我呀在礼拜六冇閒。
我呀在礼拜六 that's Saturday. 冇閒
就是没空。
I don't have time. All right. So 如果是礼拜天、礼拜一，整个礼拜都没空，那你就说我这礼拜没空就好了。
对啊，
那就是我呀在礼拜
冇閒
不用讲那个六了，对不对？Okay, let's review all these phrases. How do you say sorry? 对不起。
失礼。
失礼，
或者是排泄。
Okay, and then there's I don't have time. 没空。
冇閒。
冇閒 and maybe. Not sure. Maybe 不一定。
冇聽錯。
冇聽錯 and it's all about asking, do you want to go out together? 要不要一起去？
愛共下希望。
愛共下希望 and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.